Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will learn how to make a cover page in MS Word. So, why cover page is important? The cover page is really very vital part of any report or any presentation even. Because with the cover page, your assignments looks very professional, and cover page, it leaves the long-lasting impression to any reader that what is inside your report. So basically, cover part is a kind of the head of the family, and it represents the family. So basically, cover page is the part of a report which refers what is basically inside the report. So if you want to make your assignments look really professional, and if you want to leave a very good impression, you should always make a cover page of your reports. And cover page shouts what is in the report, and cover page always leaves a long-lasting impression. After all, you would not like to lose this impression. After all, the first impression is always the last impression.
So, let's get started. So, we will go to Insert. In Insert, there is the option of Pages. You click here, and we will go to Cover Page. So, this is Cover Page. To add a cover page, we click this option. After clicking this option, we will get so many templates, that is built-in templates, which we can use to make our cover page. As you can see, that there are a lot of templates which you can use, and you can modify these templates by your own. If you want to have more templates, we can go to more cover pages from office.com, and we can see that there are different other kinds of cover page. So let's start from here, like choose this one, inside one. So now your cover page is somehow ready. It's a template and you have to edit it. You can see here document title, so you can edit it. Always just click it and backspace, and you can write your cover page report name, assignment name. For example, XYZ assignment. Subtitle, you can add a subtitle here. Sorry. Maybe A, B, C report. You can delete the name. You can put here your name, Mr. XYZ. You can put the date here. You can select the date, course title here, whatever your course title is. Maybe MSc, just for example, mathematics, you can say, and you can save it. If you want, you can even click this picture if you don't like it, and you can just put your own picture. For example, if I say delete, and if I don't want to, I can use anything else, like I can even change the page color here. I can say yellow, so it would look like this. So whatever you like, it depends. It totally depends on your taste.
So if we want to select a different cover page, so we again go to insert, we go to pages, we select a cover page. So let's say, for example, this time we choose a very simple cover page, so like this, and now you can change the report name. I just put energy report. Subtitle, you can put any subtitle here, document subtitle, maybe energy report of some building. So you can go here and you can say XYZ building project. So it says that energy report of some building, and you put the date here. So you can choose any date, but today's date, I'm selecting today's date. And here you can put the like who has prepared this energy report, or company name. But I think if you think that this is really in the down, so you can always select it and take it to the up, take it to, let's say, near to the name of the report. So I can say that this report has been prepared by Mr. XYZ, or the author name, and you can always put the company name. So you can delete and you can say company, again, ABC, company name, yeah, like this. So, and even if you would like to change the color of this one, and if you don't like it, you can always change. So you have to select this figure or picture, whatever you say, and you go to design and you can choose the color. So so it's very easy. Yeah, I hope you like my videos, and if you like my videos, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.